How to enable face retouch in Lensa. Let's dive right into how you can enable the face retouch feature in Lensa. This is a fantastic tool that helps you to enhance your selfies and portraits, making you look absolute best. First things first, let's open the Lensa app and go inside it. And if you haven't downloaded it yet, go ahead and grab it from the App Store or Google Play Store. It's a quick download. Now, once you're inside the app, you will see the gallery section. This includes all your edited photos and the photos that you have imported earlier. And if the photo that you want to edit is not right over here, what you can do is simply tap on this plus button right over here and import the photo like this. And it will open your gallery. You can just tap on it and import the photo from here. Easy peasy. However, as we are going to do a face retouch, what we need is a face. For that, let's tap on this photo right over here. Just tap on it. Give it a time to load it. Once you're inside it, you can see a lot of options at the bottom section. Right over here, just scroll through the option like this and go inside an option called the skin. Let's go inside it, and here you can see a face retouch, and it is all in all that is 10. So you can just use the slider, this one, and increase or enable the face retouch as you want. However, there's not an specific button that says to enable the face retouch. So that's it, play around with it. You might want a subtle enhancement or more dramatic effect, is totally up to you. If you are satisfied, just tap on the save button which is in top right corner over here. And that's it, you have successfully enabled face retouch in Lensa. Now get creative and start sharing the stunning selfies with your friends. I hope this video helped. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.